What's up? What's up? So, I just got this new grafting toolkit. Got it from Amazon. It's got a few features. It comes with elastic bands, some tape. It's not really tape. It's more like saran wrap, wax paper. And I'm gonna be grafting my orange trees. This is gonna be my first attempt at grafting. I have some scions or some cuttings to attach to my rootstock or my tree, and we're gonna see how this goes. And just unveil this. I've used it already, but this is me sharing it with you. So, comes in a little black box. Got your grafting tape and your elastic bands. This one here. There's another one somewhere, but we're gonna keep unboxing. You have a screwdriver, and you have two cutting tools for your grafting. So one is, I don't know if you can see that. It's like a clover shape or a U shape. And then the next one. One second. It's more of a V shape. So there's more like two V-shaped ones. Screwdriver. Take apart your grafting traces. And you have, I think that's like a wrench. And this is your grafting tool. Comes with some cutting shears. And then on the other side, on the end here, there's the grafting clip. I put the V-shaped one in, and you put your cutting here, and you press it onto the orange part, and it cuts your graft. So we're going to see how easy that makes everything. And stay tuned, I'm going to show you my grafting when I go outside. Alright, so here is my orange tree. I have a second one. It's on my left. Excuse the fan cover flap. It's my second one. So I'm going to be grafting my cuttings onto this. So I just made a cutting. Let me find it right here. So this is the cutting I made with my grafting tool. And this is the scion cutting that I cut with the grafting tool. So how it works is it's supposed to fit, give me a second, I'm not going to lose focus on the camera, into the rootstock, the tree itself. And what you want to do is make sure it's a snug fit, and use your grafting tape, or I guess clear tape, something to hold it into place without actually damaging the inside or the actual stem of the tree. And then you leave that for about, I would say, a month. Now, don't quote me on that, I'm not sure. Or until you see new growth coming from it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put on my grafting tape, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so I finished my grafting tape. I taped over all my grafts, and this is the end result. This is one going here. I have another in a second right here. This is my second one, and then I have some more on my other tree. Give me a sec. So I have one graft which is up here. I'm not sure what happened to the end of this, but it wasn't like that when I put it on. And then I have another which is right here. So if any of you have like grafting glue or like some sticky organic stuff that can hold your grafts into place while you wrap it, because I'm using tape, which I'm really not supposed to do. So if you have anything you can, like any type of organic material you can put on it, like organic glue, to hold it in place and let you wrap it and make it easier for you. So that's it. That's my grafting. And I have 5 more. I had 10 and I have 5 more, but I'm gonna actually get a friend of mine to do it because he's way better at it than me. He does it for a living. So I did 5 myself, and the actual other 5 I'm gonna get him to do, so I'm pretty sure guaranteed for them to take. And that's my video. Got some rabbits. You know. Little guy. Run.